You know, I think it's been a while since I've actually started a video off in the morning from my house. I never really start the videos off this way anymore. I always just kind of pick up wherever and then we get going with our shit. But before we head out real quick, I do want to show you guys something really quick. My mom got me this for my birthday next week. Little small early birthday present, just something fun that she got for me. And I want to show it to you guys really quick because it's fucking awesome. So I got this. It says bow tie till I die, but you get all the hair off of it. Ah, look at that shit. I can't decide whether I want to put this on my toolbox at work or if I want to put it in my office. It'll probably end up at my office, but we're gonna take it to work today and at least see what it looks like on the back of my toolbox. But that shit is fucking awesome. Hell yeah, huge shout out to my mom. Love my mom so much. Fucking goat right there. Hell yeah. And look, it's got a nice little ambiance coming up. Look at that shit. Fucking crazy. Oh! My camera's gonna fall. Time for another day, guys. Stop and got some Chick-fil-A because you gotta get the day started somehow. It's Friday, it's payday. It's a good day, guys. I got something special planned early next week for you guys. Something super special, something exciting, something I haven't done in, damn, it's been 6-8 months probably. It's been a hot minute, but stay tuned. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. We're on the road to 10K, hopefully by next Friday on my birthday. And we are on the road to 100 days straight daily vlog. Today is day 92, so make sure you guys smash the fuck out of that subscribe button if you guys want to stay tuned. I might do 365 days. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm kind of leaning towards it. Dalton, wherever the fuck you're at, wake up and start filming. Let's get this fucking bread today. Today's video is gonna be a little bit different. I really wanna throw it back a little bit today because next week is a huge week and I kinda wanna take a day off and get ready to really hit next week hard. Got a lot of great stuff going on this weekend. So tonight's video is gonna be a little bit of a throwback to one of the greatest truck meets I've ever been to, Sick Gear Truck Meet 2019. I met Braydon Price, got to see JW Montoya, met some of my biggest supporters. Huge shout out to Jack and Jonathan. Got to see It's Ham, a Ham fam, Ham and Co out there. Huge shout out to him. Got to see a lot of great people, the guys from Sick Gear. It was a great show. One of the best filmed shows that I've ever done. I got a lot of compliments on this video. So I want you guys to see it. For those of you that haven't seen it, this is the Sick Gear Truck Meet of 2019. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys hit that subscribe button and join the bread gang. We're on the road to 100 days straight and 10K on YouTube. Hell fucking yeah. I'll see you guys next time. Enjoy the video. Let's get this bread. What is up, bread gang? How are y'all doing today? It is a beautiful day here in Augusta, Georgia. I'm here with my man, wherever the heck he's at, JW Montoya. Today's the day. It's Sick Gear Truck Meet day. We're gonna head to get some Bojangles. It's the best way to start the day. Let's go. Cross Bojangles off the list, check. Now, it's Sick Gear Truck Meet time. That's crazy. Hey! Take a picture of that. Well, what time is it? About 3 o'clock. We're not fully swinging with the truck meet yet, but definitely got Braydon Smith. I don't know, who am I talking about? Braydon Price. Braydon Price is there. Taylor Made's there.
I'm there. I'm actually
He's
here.
there.
I'm actually here.
He's there.
You're not there.
I'm here. We're debating between Taco Bell and Zaxby's.
Comment below what we should get.
Zaxby's is the move. We're headed to Zaxby's. It's actually right, y'all can see it's right there, right there. That's Zaxby's. Showing you guys some trucks pretty soon. We've been seeing a good, like, that's a lifted truck. I don't know if y'all can see that, like right over there. That's a lifted truck. That's not bad. I bet it'll be at the meet. We're gonna go eat some Zaxby's and we're gonna ride back over there and see what kind of trouble we can get into.
I wonder if that Cummins is coming.
I bet he's coming. That Cummins is coming?
You mean that Cummings is coming?
Cummings is Cummings? Because he took my spot. That's the only reason.
We were gone for 15
Gone for
minutes.
5 minutes and somebody takes my spot. Freaking serious?
Dude, it'd be like that sometime.
That's crazy.
Got you, dude. You're breaking his neck.
I'm gonna break the neck.
Broke his neck, bro.
Snap, snap.
Dude, your truck is so cool. You broke his neck.
Is it really that wide?
Dude, it's pretty damn wide.
Is the spot taken? Somebody took my spot. I'm cutting tires.
It's got the weather text, okay. You got color matched everything, a little bit of blue accents, metallic black stuff.
Okay,
Go ahead and get some of that. We got more trash in the back, a GoPro, because you never know, and sub box, 2 10-inch Mifflin subs. Amp is right there. Yes, these aren't supposed to fold down. I didn't latch them right whenever I bolted the seats back down. I'm too lazy to fix it. But hey, it makes good access to the amp.
GoPro, because you never know.
Back here as well.
So what?
Color matched everything. Back here as well.
Having a back
Got
seat must be nice.
A sunroof. It's nice leather. It wipes. Okay. Obviously, gotta have 4-wheel drive. Yeah, that's it for interior. You got
Gassers.
I know gas
Freaking
trucks.
gassers, right?
Gas trucks. Gotta
Yeah,
hate them,
like
man.
2007.
Hate the gas trucks.
So, we got built custom headlights by who? I don't know. We got color match stuff everywhere, metallic black. Ignore the paint peeling. This also ignore the dead bugs. I got halos in the headlights, but I don't know how they work.
I feel like this is like show and tell. We're just kind of walking around with it.
Yeah, got the dirt bike in the back. It was great price, you know.
Who's great price?
I don't know. But look at these tail lights. They're gnarly.
Jeffy's.
Wait, this is from Canada? You're Canadian?
No, I'm really not. I just haven't got that taken out yet.
Canada.
I don't know who built them. Don't ask. Favorite part of the truck by far is going to be the color matched bumper with the metallic black and blue.
I do like that.
Other than it really sucks to stand on it because you take the risk of chipping it.
True.
But there's a lot of flaws, okay?
We all have our flaws.
We got a big old scratch in it when they shipped it down to the dealership.
Nice. Nice.
Yep, so I got to get some stuff repainted and fixed.
That's a love scratch right there.
Brand new tires, I assume.
They're somewhat new. They lasted about a week.
Burnouts?
Yeah, something like that. It just has so much power, you know, you can't keep the traction to the ground.
Spinning at 120. Duramax?
So we got...
It's the Duramax. He's so much taller in person. Look at him. He's so cute, isn't he?
We got Duramax 6.6 motor.
We got an engine in here. That's awesome.
Yep.
I don't know.
Got a cold air intake.
That sounds just
Tunes
like...
by, who does my tunes? No, it was custom motor op
I'm
tunes.
assuming it's here somewhere.
Yeah, it probably is somewhere. Keep. We got no airbox cover because I dropped one of the bolts down into the engine bay somewhere, so it's gone.
That's fine.
Yeah, it's pretty basic.
This is like
Dynoed at 500 flat.
quintessential YouTuber truck. I mean, it looks so good, but it's
a rag, dude. It's clapped out.
Welcome to the Himalayas. Snow cone? I'm thinking watermelon.
Moral and so forth. If you keep your original mind, precepts will keep themselves.
I'm trying to make you famous. Leave me alone. Hey, y'all go subscribe to my man. Now's my stance to my man here. Y'all, he's killing the stand. That wide. So that wide. Hey, link in the description, top of the description. Y'all go subscribe to my man. Let's get him to 1,000. Let's get him there. And I know you guys that are watching the video that aren't subscribed to me or any of these people, hit the subscribe button. Help us out. Let's get this real.
Beginner, be very, very careful about this point.
To take this moment and let y'all know that my 2 biggest supporters of all time comment on every video,
every freaking Instagram post are here right now. Huge shout out to my man. Both of them. Instagrams are below. Go follow them. If they're not at 1 million followers by the time this video is over with, just do it. These dudes are the best. Y'all go follow them right now. Huge shout out to them.
Another clean truck going to number 1, Alex Rube. Another clean truck going to number 1, Alex Rube.
Sir. Man, let's get this bread. That's not bread. Can I win some bread, please?
I like to thank Dirtiest Clean Truck Award or Dirtiest Clean Truck Award. I want to thank the Bread Gang first and foremost. I love you guys so much, and I wouldn't have made this possible without you guys. I want to thank the Academy, all the people in the audience, my mom, my beautiful girlfriend, and my 2 little end pieces, my two young loaves of bread at home. Hallelujah. The end pieces is what I call them. My 2 little end pieces at home. I love you guys so much. I did this for you. I'm bringing this home to you. Bread Gang, we're coming home with a dub today. Hallelujah. That's it for the video today. I love you guys so much. I made it, Mom. We did it for the Bread Gang. As always, I'll see you guys next time. Let's get this bread.